Hello, everybody. This is Dr. Shraddha, Yoga and Naturopathy Consultant at the Keva Ayurveda Highland Hotel. Today, we are going to talk about the most common health conditions that we see regularly during winter season and how to rectify these conditions or how to prevent ourselves from suffering with these conditions. The most common cause or the most common condition that we see during the season is can start with a simple common cold to many conditions like cough, fever, allergic rhinitis, sinusitis, asthma, etc. The main cause of these conditions is the allergic reactions of our body and the lowered immunity levels in our body. According to the principles of Ayurveda, yoga, and naturopathy, the most and foremost important thing is to enhance our immunity levels in order to boost up our body's healing crisis and to fight against these conditions. How to improve these immunity levels in our body is mainly by following simple techniques in our day to day activities. The first and foremost thing is the diet pattern. So it is very important to follow a strict diet during this season. So the first thing is avoiding eating the cold foods or staple food in our daily life and including many food products which are good in anti-inflammatory and antibiotic properties. So the most common food that has these properties are ginger, turmeric, tulsi and many other herbs which are very good in combating these viruses. And the second important thing is to avoid the cold and already stored items. It is always advised to prepare fresh foods and to eat it warm. And the third thing that you have to do is always try to consume warm water or hot water during or throughout your day. And the next important thing is avoiding allergic products, which may be allergic to you particularly. You will have to avoid all those allergic products in your diet. And the second important thing we have to take care about is physical activity. I do understand that it is very difficult for you all to come out of your bed early in the morning and perform yourself in some physical activity. But ideally, giving your body a time of minimum 40 to 60 minutes is very good in making yourself active and to prevent all these health conditions. So, physical activity can be in any form. It can be in the form of walking, or it can be in the form of strenuous exercises, or the best and foremost thing is doing yoga. So yoga has a particular entity called as kriyas. So the kriyas are mainly the detoxification or the cleansing process in your body. So cleansing happens mainly to remove all the accumulated toxins or all the allergens that is present in the body. So it can be in the form of Jalaneti, Sutraneti or Vamanadauti, which is very good in helping out to remove your toxins and clear up the airway passages. And it is followed by always practicing few pranayamas and breathing exercises, which will enhance your breathing and free you from all the congestions. And the next thing is importantly, proper sleep pattern is also equally important. So, keeping yourself, giving a proper rest to your body will help in boosting up your immunity levels. So, it is always advised to follow this proper lifestyle regimen to improve your immunity levels and to prevent these conditions in your body. Thank you.